I had an absolute shocker of a install that I did once. I went round to a mate's house to go and basically take a look at his car because he said a couple of the speakers weren't working and that kind of thing. So made it over there and was having a good old look around and pulled the head unit out and everything looked good up until then. He proceeded to tell me that the installer did what he called was a TNT tape bit. Now, for any of you that don't know, TNT stands for the twist and tape. And except this twist and tape wasn't that great of a twist and tape. It was bodge it together as quickly as possible. And as it turns out, half of them had fallen apart. The actual dimmer switch itself was wired onto the blue wire, or in this case is signal out for instance something like an aerial. So what that meant was that we were actually getting lights feeding backwards. So the minute that he started his car, his lights would begin to fade on, but would also cause problems blowing fuses, of course, because you can't really have power going both directions. Two of the speakers, the twist and tape had actually fallen off it. So they weren't working in their entirety at all, and the head unit was a JVC and he came up with a miswiring issue whenever he used to use it for longer than 10 minutes. So, I mean, I've seen some absolute shockers. That's probably one of the worst ones, especially for a head unit. Like, there's no need for it to be like that. If you want something done properly, there's a reason why professionals exist in this industry. It's not because, you know, you can do it yourself. Like, at the end of the day, it's not so much about that. It's about getting it done once and getting it done right. And that's what we're in this industry for.